Hi ma'am, I am Shivani from 7th A ICSC. I am doing the chemistry experiment. So first we need vinegar, glass, Mentos, lemon, baking soda. Shall we start doing? First step, take a plate and take a glass. You should pour the vinegar. See, I am pouring the vinegar. Half glass is enough. Okay, I am putting now Mentos. See. See, no reaction. Vinegar and Mentos. Should we watch for some time? See, no reactions at all. Now I am putting lemon. Take off the seeds of lemon. Yeah, mixing it. See, I am putting the baking soda. See. We should keep the plate, it will pour outside. Shall we see the Mentos is there or not? See, no, Mentos are there. See, it should. I am putting again the soda. We'll see how much it will become. No gas. The conclusion is the experiment and result of it supported our hypothesis that the bubbles would float on top of the mixture of the baking soda and vinegar and Mentos. It did this because when we combined the baking soda and vinegar and Mentos and lemon, it had a chemical reaction that produced carbon dioxide gas. Thank you.